this is like almost like a whiteboard sketch of like, okay, cool, I made a nice pretty diagram, but actually the way that these concepts are interacting with each other is non-trivial. But the point here is what we actually care about is like what people do and like what the consequences of that are. And so insofar as technologies provide structure or fulfill functions, economics define resources or characterize actors, and governance provides like both formal and informal like kind of guidance or direction about what to do. We ultimately get these incentives, we get these capabilities, and people take the can do and the should do, and then they do something, and then stuff happens. And put my point earlier, I'm not actually trying to reduce this to some sort of predictable deterministic. I'm just trying to describe the phenomena through which these things evolve and to understand those evolutions.